So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a line break here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'll just type in the word line break right here. I will then copy and paste it a couple more times so that on the screen there is a couple texts if you're making a paragraph or whatever. Now if you wanted to add a line break, let's just say here for example, it's super simple. Go to this top bar to where it says insert. Hover over top to get the drop down right here, press on the little arrow, and two options down below page break. There's an option that says line break right here. And if you were to go ahead and press on line break, as you can tell right here, there actually is a line break that is added, just like that. So if I were to go ahead and add a line break right here, I'll just go to the top here, press on insert, press on line break, and then you go to the next line, just like that. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to add or how to have, I guess, a line break in a document here on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.